Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook videos. So first things first, you need to go to your Facebook account or open the Facebook application and then look for the specific video that you want to download. Click the video, tap on the three dots and look for the copy link. Make sure that the video is public so you can download the video. Now you can exit Facebook or the Facebook video right here. Go to any web browser, let's just say Google web browser, and then search for download Facebook video or Facebook video download. And it will show you different sites where you can download a Facebook video. So you can search from any of the option right here. So let me select the very first one option. I'm going to paste the link here. So long press and then tap paste, click on download. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the video below. It will also suggest the quality of the video that you want to download, so you can choose from any of this. So let's just say I'm going to select the first one right here. I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on your internet connection. Once done, then you can now go to your download folder, or you can tap the three dots here on the Google and then look for download, or you can see also that in the details. So once done, you can tap this downloaded video. And here's the video that you have downloaded from Facebook. And that's how to download Facebook videos. Remember, if you cannot download the video was set into private. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.